So to advertise any mobile application on your Twitter, that option is called go to card library. In this option is called image app card. App promotion will be two types, by image, by video. Now I'm showing for image app card. First select your image. Now here everything will be here. Save image. Why I am using by exactly app image. Select image. The size will be not selected. So wait for a few seconds. Select. What are the image not support? You can go to canva.com to make an image using for Canva 1020 by 512. After crop the image, and this will be selected by this where this application India. What I have to show this one? Install, play, shop, book, connect, order, and open. This will be install, and we can choose your application where is it Android or iOS. Select for iOS, create new, copy the URL, Android, paste it, and save. Application ready. Done. Now go to here. Small here correction. I have to refresh once again. Why I'm adding for newly application. So there will be change your things. Done. Select your application. Your card name. Card name nothing but how do people know about this option? Now click for create. Now click for create. So we can check here. Anything is issues. Yeah. I forget the app link. Where? And then deep link I'm forgetting. Create. Done. I can post. Tweet option. Post it. Compose. Social media. Tweet. Done. Is showing for app promotion. Go for tweet. Click for profile. What's showing here? To click for install. This will be showing for mobile users. We'll check on your mobile users m.twitter.com. After your username, you can check by m.twitter.com. All is m will be not supported mobile.twitter.com. This will be showing on your post. For showing for Insta. This is for mobile users. This will be advertised by video, by image. Two options are accept using Twitter cards. So this is a very use in Twitter cards to post on your Twitter option. It's a very important on your promote on your applications and website views and video views, multiple images, multiple title and multiple videos. This is promoted by mobile application on your mobile users purpose.